Come down to the creek by the bridge on Hickory Creek. Old basketball. Need to get right over there if we can on that point.
Yeah, you probably can. I just have to climb some rocks.
Don't twist an ankle. Don't have to carry you out of here. A little bit muddy. Come down here, see if the catch any sand bass. We're down here in the weeds, standing in the water, fishing this little channel on Hickory Creek. Seth's over there. He said he ain't getting his feet wet, but I'm up to my eyeballs in mud, so mine might as well be wet. Throwing a few little H&H spinner baits and stuff out here, trying to catch us some sand bass or something, maybe coming up the creek. This is a channel right here. As you can see, we're just right below the bridge, and we're going to see if we can't catch a few. That's a big one, Seth. There you go. Show it to the camera. Hey, nice one. That's a slab. I can get the hook out of his mouth. He buried it up. There we go.
We'll help you get that limit, Nathan.
There ain't no limit, I don't think, on them. I mean, I don't know what the limit is, really.
Well, even if it's 30, there's 3 of us, so it's 90.
Yeah. No, I really think it's about 50.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Might have to move that over there.
Got another one? Hey, that is a big one. Seth, I think I'm gonna set up a camera on you.
That, I think it's
told her some of them big feet. You got another one?
Yeah.
Double up, double up. I gotta get one so we can triple up.
Yeah. That one, Dad.
That's a big one. Nathan got him a nice big one. These are the biggest sand bass I've ever been in. Hold on to it, Seth. Get his for him. That's a big one. Got one up there. Another nice one. Yep. Don't break me off.
What size line y'all using?
Well, I was on that ultralight. Noah was using 6-pound test this morning. He never did get broke off. Yeah. I've got probably 10 or 12 on this one. Okay. But this is just a.
Hey, I broke off this morning.
Yeah, you got to check that line because they got them sharp little teeth.
Them little fins too.
Yeah. Did you get another one? Yeah. Okay, I got to set up the other camera and set it to where it's just getting all of us. I shot the sheriff. Come on. Boy, I had one, I was filleting them a while ago. One finned me right under my fingernail.
Oh, that hurts.
It does. That'd burn it.
Yeah. You just want to drag that over there.
Yeah, we'll put this one in the water a little better. Ow.
This little Mepps #2 with a silver blade and a brown skirt, and a Mepps #3 the same. Have always.
Yeah, that's a good little lure for almost any kind of fish you have. I'm over you. I'm down here. Now it might be over both of you. We ain't caught it. Get one over the set. I got one too. Or did I get you, Nathan?
No.
Mine's running. I got one too. Or did I get you, Nathan? Mine's running. Nathan, we're not planning on keeping any for us. Okay. So how many do you want to clean?
I got my fillet knife up there.
Well, I mean, I just was letting you know that we'll catch them till you get tired of cleaning.
Hey, I got a big one over there.
All right, Seth beat me on that one, but a double's a double.
Well, if you catch the string grab
We oh.
Nathan, you said you're using a brown?
He's using a brown Mepps. Brown with silver blade.
Oh, you little dog. We're just gonna throw one of these. And this was a little chartreuse size.
So that's what I'm sort of using, a chartreuse one. Where is that other one? That was the fish I threw up here. I couldn't do them both at the same time. Oh, the sucker will poke you. Oh, crud. They about took off.
Well, the yellow one did.
Oh, you already lost the yellow one?
Yeah, that yellow one took off.
Oh, well, we'll snag it. It's right here close, I guarantee you.
Well, it was just right there, and I saw a couple of them fish running with it. And I figured, well, it'll come up soon. That's why I put this on, and I figured just any other extra fish works.
Yeah, you'll see the dead fish floating here in a second.
Oh, so we'll snag it.
He's been trying to, man.
It's right here close, I guarantee you.
Well, it was just right there, and I saw a couple of them falls.
Yeah, oh, you tripled up, huh? Well, just don't tell everybody. We'll be down here every day this week.
I'll be here tomorrow for sure. Fish was running. I figured, well, it'll come up soon enough. That's why I put this on, and I figured just any other extra fish works.
Yeah, you'll see the dead fish floating here.
Oh, he's running. Trying to run. That's a big, oh, that might not be a sand bass. What is that? That's a sand bass. That's a monster. I think that's the biggest one I've caught. Guys, that is one monster sand bass. Look how wide that sucker is. Oh, you got your scale with you, Seth? Huh? Darn. That's got to be a 4-pounder or a 5-pounder right there. Yeah, it's like a 9-pounder.
Every fish you say I catch is only a 2-pounder.
Well, I know one thing. That's the biggest one I've caught today. Look at that. Guys, look at my hand compared to that slab. That's a slab. Look at that. Guys, look at my hand compared to that slab. Man, that's a slab. I'm gonna walk it over to my camera. It just gets bigger as it gets closer. What you got, Seth? You gonna throw him back?
I ain't gonna walk over there for this thing.
So you need a...
I got pliers. So you want to come over here now and steal my fish?
No, I was just filming. While I was over here, I thought I'd make a cast. Get on in that water so I can catch you. You getting the babies out? That's what Seth's doing over here.
You ain't even catching them.
I'm filming. I can't catch. I'm too busy filming. I think I'm gonna move this camera down here to film Nathan though, since you're not having as much activity.
Alright. I'll remember that when you want
Nice one. That's another big one. Another big female. The what?
There is fish down here.
Oh yeah, there's water, there's fish. I knew there were, it's just a pain in the butt getting down here.
It wasn't that bad.
Nah, it's not really that bad. Pretty shallow, isn't it? It's gonna be slick. So we go back.
Oh, you can go back. I'll go down there.
Well, just let's walk on down there. It's too shallow right here.
I thought you meant go like back where Nathan was.
Well, we will after this corner. That's another big one. Another big female.
Prove my theory to be right. There is fish down here.
What?
There is fish down here.
Oh yeah, there's water, there's fish.
Looks like it.
I knew there were, it's just a pain in the butt getting down here.
It wasn't that bad.
Nah, it's not really that bad. Guys, that is a pretty dang big sand bass right there. Pretty big sand bass. Out of this little hole. Throw it back. Get on out there, let somebody else catch you. Maybe they'll throw you back too. It's one of those good memories. She'll be telling your grandkids, me and your grandpa, we walked down this creek one time. We caught some monsters. They weren't just little, they were monsters. They make big things seem not so big.
That killed the
Do what?
that killed the vibes.
Nah.
Yeah. That's so annoying. I hate when you do that.
Oh, it's not that annoying. It's like trademark doing USA.
That's it.
Seth caught him a tree bass.
Big tree bass.
Right there, tree bass. He's fixing to get it right between the eyeballs.
No, I ain't.
Why don't you, you're gonna break it. Why don't you just, yeah, stick it out there and jiggle it. There you go. Oh,
Oh, it's gonna put some-
there you got it. Now you screwed up the whole fishing hole. He's got a tree across it. He's got the starting of a beaver dam. I don't even think that they're really running yet. Ricky was saying a while ago that he got out here when he was a kid, they just scoop them up. He said they'd be wading, and he said when he was 10 or 12, and he said they'd be wading, and he said they'd be hitting him in the legs, they were so thick.
That was also 60 years ago.
I don't doubt it.
That's normally the size I'm used to keeping.
I think I'm fixing to try to snag that I'll put on something else and see if I can snag that stringer.
Okay.
What do you got, Seth? Ah, you gonna throw him back?
Yeah. I'll get all the babies out of y'all's way.
You getting the babies out? That's what Seth's doing over here.
Hey.
We were over Blue River the other day and we didn't do any good at all. It was fun, but we just didn't do any good.
Yeah.
It was miserable for me because
Seth had the flu, so he was like, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
He said, I ain't going back. I'll get him to go back.
No, you won't.
know if there's any deep holes down that way. I don't think there are.
I always try to fish right as soon as I try to walk right down as soon as I get there. I don't think I've ever caught anything down there.
We've always just parked right there and walked to here and then walked down.
Okay.
Now Noah, last year him and Noah Miller, they parked at the bridge and walked this way.
Huh.
And they caught one night they caught about 100. They were up till 2 in the morning. I was just like, yeah, y'all can do all that you want. I helped them get the stuff ready. I said, I'm going to bed.